Welcome everyone, welcome to the channel. So how to set up a fingerprint sensor on Huawei Nova Y91. So it's a quite big phone, the big cameras and the big screen. Actually what I like, actually the screen size is quite big. And let's talk about how to set up a fingerprint sensor on this phone. So the fingerprint sensor actually is located on the power button. So this is basically your power button and this is your fingerprint sensor also. So I think I need to remove my gloves to set up a fingerprint sensor. So let's get into the settings. Here we have biometric and password. So here we have fingerprint ID. So here we're gonna put this password. So I have my password. So after inserting the password, now you can choose your fingerprint ID. Use unlock this device. So use fingerprint sensor to unlock this device. So we're gonna choose yes. So now I'm gonna use my thumb. So you have to place your finger or thumb quite several times. So right, so now again. Okay, so enrollment successful and one fingerprint has been added to this phone, and we're just gonna select OK and set up face recognition. We're not gonna do it just now. That's how you set up your fingerprint ID to your Huawei Nova Y91. Thank you for watching, and if this video helps you, please subscribe to the channel so we can make more videos.